Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your LinkedIn post design using Adobe Express easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Express on your device. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Click on the Create a New Project button. Select Custom Size Graphic from the drop-down menu. Input the recommended dimensions for LinkedIn posts, which are 1200 by 627 pixels. Click on Next to proceed to the design editor. Browse through the templates available in the sidebar. Choose a template that suits your LinkedIn post needs. Click on the selected template to open it in the editor. Customize text by clicking on the text box. Edit the text to match your message and branding. Change the font style, size, and color to enhance readability. Drag and drop any images or logos you want to include. Use the Elements tab to add shapes, icons, or other design features. Adjust the positioning of each element to create a balanced layout. Utilize the background option to change or add color. Preview your design by clicking on the eye icon. Make any necessary adjustments based on the preview. When satisfied, click on the Download button in the upper right corner. Select your preferred file format for download. Save the design to your device. Open LinkedIn and go to your profile or page. Click on the Start a Post button. Upload your new graphic. Add any additional text or hashtags. Finally, share your post with your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.